this video today, we're going to learn how to make travel essential oil jars. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Alyssa Cotten. Consider subscribing if you're new here. I release videos out every Monday. I do videos on mental health, self-help, and motivation. So for today's video, we're going to make these really cool travel essential oil jars. And you're probably wondering, why can't you just take the jars with you? Well, the reason is they leak. I know so many people that take these little oil jars with them and they're opening them in their bag and they end up leaking, or the oil is so strong with people next to them are like, whoa, that's really strong scent, or I have a sensitivity to that kind of scent. And even if you just open the lid, it's really pretty strong. And so these little jars are a really great way to have your essential oils that you can use. And we'll talk about the benefits of what you can use them for, but allow you to just have this cool little jar. And I'm going to tell you what makes it special. So inside of here is a little piece of felt that has little sticky backing. And on the felt, you just add a couple drops of the essential oils. So you can have them with you. There's only 3 ingredients that you need. You need these little glass jars, and you can get them I get them at the craft store. Actually, in the wedding favor section, I think you can put little candies inside, and it comes with little labels that say thank you. So these can go in the candy section. The next item is this piece of felt, and it's different than regular felt because it actually has a sticky backing. So you've got the sticky backing that you can cut and put inside of the jars. And then lastly, all you need is your favorite essential oils. And it doesn't really matter what kind of oils you use. You're not ingesting them. You're not putting them on your skin. So it can be any kind of essential oils. So these jars come in a really big box, and you can make 20. So you could have a group of friends. It could be a really great sleepover activity. Anyone at work, it can be a really fun activity. So these little jars, they're glass jars, but you could get plastic ones if you wanted. They screw on with a little metal lid. So all you need is some scissors. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut a little corner, about 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. So you have your little 1/2 inch square. You've got your essential oils in your jar. So all you're gonna do is peel this back, and then you just stick it in there. Sometimes I'll take the scissors and kind of push it down. Then you just add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil. And there you go. That's super easy, and it's super faint, enough for you to smell it, but not enough for someone else to smell. This will enclose it so it doesn't dry out. It'll last a really long time. So this is really easy. You can make other jars. So it's really easy. It's really lightweight. It's able to travel. I put these in my office. I have them like on my side desk for clients to use. I give them to clients to kind of take home with them. They can put them in their car, their office, a lot of really great spaces. And so it's really nice to travel with because you can have it on a plane. It doesn't have any liquid, so no TSA is going to take it because it has too many liquids. You're able to smell it, and it allows you to feel grounded, centered. You can pick a scent that feels really calming for you. I've made lots of other jars before. So I've got rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, and all of these smells you can kind of pick and custom if you want to add a mixture, like if you wanted to do peppermint or eucalyptus together, or if you wanted to do a combination of a bunch of other ones. So some benefits of using this jar is using your scent of smell to kind of calm and ground you. We can get triggered in a negative way by smells, but we can also get triggered for positive emotions and positive experiences by smells. So if you've got your essential oils that have maybe trigger positive emotions, and you've got those ready to go, you have them in your car, you can even carry this in your purse. You could put it in your travel bag when you're on the airplane, maybe even when you're driving, like anywhere really. And you can open it, and maybe if you're feeling some type of negative feelings, or you need just like kind of a rush of positive experience, you can smell it. And this one is peppermint, and it kind of just has a really nice cooling effect. Whatever smells or scents that you're looking for, you can kind of smell it and just kind of be grounded and centered in a really healthy way that's not distracting or avoiding of what's going on. So those are some really nice benefits of using these jars. So comment below if you've ever made a travel jar, if you would ever use a travel jar, and comment below on what's your favorite essential oil smell. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Give a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I release videos out every Monday. Thanks for watching. I'm Alyssa Cotten. Have a great day.